Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to move text in photopea. First of all, open your photopea. I already opened this and type already text. Move text. Simply click the move tool and okay. Then click move tool and you can use auto select or do not use auto select. I use example auto select. Then show transform control. Click here and now see this show transform control and click to move it. Click always move tool, then click move and layer move, hold hold click and drag it. Now see this layer move. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.